This is a tutorial on how to take apart a Ps2.
It will depend on the type of Ps2 that you want to begin with, because there are the slim and then there are the fatter kinds.
Tools we need are a big screwdriver and a mini screwdriver.
Use screwdriver to remove the screws securing the bottom plate.
Carefully lift the top of the unit off, making sure that none of the ports get caught on the top of it.
Your PS2 should now be completely accessible. However, be very careful when shifting components as each model of PS2 is different and there may be further wires or screws attaching other components.
Remove the screws securing the power socket, controller port, and DVD drive units. Remove the small wires which connect the DVD drive and the eject button.
If you simply wish to access the DVD drive internals to clean or focus the laser, or to bypass the need for the flip top, remove the 4 small screws securing the top of the drive.
Remove all 4 screws securing the power supply unit, then carefully remove the screws securing the metal shield to the main board.
If you want to